Hello guys, welcome back to Daily Entertainment Bars right here on GH TV. Please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button. And also don't forget to also drop your comment in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up and also share this video with your friends and loved ones.
From Ghana, he returned in 2009-2010 and came out stronger at Shatta wale in 2013. Now, in an interview with the crowd-based Joy FM, he said he prayed and he heard a voice, and the voice spoke to him and told him, "Young man, change your name from Bandana to Shatta wale." And then he bounced back in the music industry. He listened to the voice, and then at the time, the name that came to him was Wale of the Youth. Now listen, you may not like what he does and need to dream, to work hard and be determined. When out with that, as something like this, your audience will always have a beautiful relationship with you. They will be loyal and then they will make you a household name. Now do enjoy this latest piece from Shatta wale. As when we return, we are zooming straight to social media to take your views on the uniqueness of Shatta wale.
Lost power. I was going to send Bridget a message to say, and I give me young. Because I've been looking forward to the day where you would have that moment that everyone will go, "Oh, your man, that's what I like." But to think, yeah, I swear, I know. But to think that you still recovered and you were unfazed by what happened, that is brilliant.
You know, in my case, I was, you were that one guy that I saw, that I told Nanama that I was hoping that they were going to drop you so I can take you. And, well, they didn't drop you and they held on to you and you've proven yourself. So you've done really great. You know, when the power went out, I was just telling myself, look, you were trying to essentially break the marking scheme with your performance, and so this was a way of stopping you. Otherwise, you were hoping that we'll give you 11 out of 10. So congratulations, you did excellent, and that was great recovery. Look, when it came to the current affairs issues, you just handled it easy like that. And then when it came to the entertainment too, you had that one too. Wow. Okay. Congratulations.
A star, you look like a star. You sounded like a star. And it's been a privilege for me to watch you. I have nothing to say about your performance. It's brilliant.
Well, before I just say anything, let me just get out of this. I just want to say one thing. We have products in Ghana, we have good things in Ghana, but we don't support. You see, I wasn't intelligent in school like you. But when I see intelligent people like this, I feel like you have a future. And I think you are somebody who is going to be like this man I watch, because I watch you alive every time. You're going to get to that level. And I think at that point, if I have money small, I'll buy you a radio. Thank you.
I don't know what your expectations are for this evening, but I saw that you were busy watching the auditions and the journey so far. What are you looking to see this evening?
Well, I'm looking for a future for these people, because I think what I've just seen and what we're about to witness is one of the greatest opportunity one can ever get in life. So I think there's a time that we need to take it.
Have you? Have you been voting? Have you? Well, guess what? If you haven't voted just yet, and you see any contestants and they wow you, you can still vote. Just log on to www.electme.com to vote for your favorite contestants.
The Honorable Member of Parliament for Malaysia South, Dr. Matthew.
Fisheries and aquaculture.
Mavis Herh Kunchman.
Railway development. Railway.
John Peter Amewu.
Attorney General. Who is the Attorney General?
The former Deputy Attorney General, Godfrey Daniel.
Gender, Children and Social Protection.
The Honorable Member of Parliament for
Okay. Tourism, Arts and Culture.
the former Minister for Business Development, Serwaa Amihere.
Okay. So I want you to tell us why some of these ministries were realigned according to Eugene Ahe, not your opinion, according to Eugene Ahe.
According to Eugene Ahe in his letter dated January 21st, 2020, he said that 7 ministries, specifically the Aviation Ministry, Business Development, Regional Reorganization and Development, Fishery, Special Development Initiative, Monitoring and Evaluation, Planning, about 7 ministries were realigned because they are special purpose ministries and they have achieved virtually all the things that were set.
Alright. Now to your next question. For about a decade, Bandana went off the music scene and came back as Shatta Wale. Discuss the uniqueness of the rebranding that made the Shatta Wale brand a household name on your show.
Perhaps for you, it is one dawn, but for me, it is Hajia Bintu. Challenge. This problem should be crazy, in good trouble. And my name is Emmanuel Echabeng, and we are on another episode of Rhythms Interactive. And today, we are engaging you on the uniqueness of the rebranding of Shatta Wale. Now, do share your views with us on Twitter at GH1TV and at _Emmanuel with the hashtag Rhythms Interactive. Officially entering the music industry in 2004 with his first hit single, Ghetto Youth, Bandana went MIA after giving us beautiful pieces as Obaya, No Problem, and I'm sure you're familiar with it.
I don't want to look at you twice. So.
Thank you guys so much. On behalf of the entire team, we are grateful that you came and you're a part of this competition. We'll be back for season 2, and I know that it'll be bigger and better. Shatta Wale, take us home.
Let's go.
Oh, come back. No, come back. Shatta Wale, come back.
Like we really be charged to step in our party. Push expenses over in our party. A point and negative by the party. Don't test the party. You see, them dancing. Now they get the station. While they do classy. Everyone make up one another party. Crazy the fire, them a drunk and come. We buy the property, we buy them guns. We walk off from downtown to uptown. See them kids get proud. Now we do them, we move with power. In my town, we call them shots. Can't take it come. Awu, Mrs. Senya.